Hello guys, I'm back and I'm gonna play a game called Gravi Cat. Oh, what? No, this is so cool. Wherever I put my mouse, it watches it. Look at this. Meow. It's like, what? How are you doing that? And once I get in, it's like, oh, stop it. Like, what? Am I dying? Crazy? Okay, guys. It's me, Infinite Creeper. And today I'm going to play a game called Gravi Cat. Woo! No, I like the music. And yeah, we're going to play the first level. Oh, wow, there's a lot of levels. What do I do? Space. Oh. I killed myself! No! My poor cat died. Yay! Well, I'm trying to get the meat. Press space here. And here. Whee! I'm so amazing. I can follow directions perfectly. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Never thought this was an actual game. I just found this game randomly, counterclockwise. Oh! I just found this game and I'm like, it shouldn't be that bad. Meow. Meow. It doesn't seem that bad. I think I go this way. No! I missed it. But yeah, it shouldn't be this bad of a game. That's pretty cool. Jump and boom. MLG person. Okay. Go! Go! Not really that complicated to navigate this world. A portal! Black ones are deadly when entering. Be careful! Color for the third floor. I'm doing that sound. Okay, don't do me. I'm a cat. I'm secretly a cat. Dun dun dun. Not. I can't. No! No! Don't die! Should I do this? Yeah, I should. Eat. Go! What? I don't know what to do. I'm just a random cat after all. Okay, so I think I have to be green in order to enter those things. Not so sure because I just killed myself. Why do I do this? This game is so weird. Jump. I purred. What? Whee! Oh. Yikes! Okay. I made it! Yay! I like that cat sound. It's so weird. And jump! Whee! Jump, kitty, jump! I know, right? Woo! What the heck? This is so cute. Jump. What? No. Jump. Stairs up, stairs down. Wait, what? Oh, that is kind of amazing. Jump! No! No! My cat died! That sounds horrible, but it's true. In this game, actually, I don't know what the cat falls in. I think it falls in a black hole. Larls! Larry, seriously, Larry? I'm gonna call this cat Larry. White pearls don't care what color you are. You shall pass! so fun. What? I did that awesome. Okay, I guess it doesn't work like that. White portal don't care about what color you want. You shall. Oh, isn't that kind of racist? That you have to be a certain color to join? Again, I don't know now. It's just a game, guys. Don't blame me. Just playing. I just found this game. Don't blame me. Ah! It does a weird sound when he turns a different color. What do I do here? No, 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 no! Ah! I don't get what to do! Okay, wait. Stop it, Manu. No! What? What? What just happened? What? Okay, this way. Onwards. What? Wait, what? Am I trying to get there? I am not so sure. Should I be going to the other portal like this one? I guess so. Just to relax. Okay, just like a normal cat, you always relax. What do I do? Okay, very simple. What? No! What? Are you kidding me? You have got to be kidding me right now. Right, meow. Right, meow. Meow, I don't know. No! No! Oh my gosh, this game is so fun. It's like, whee! It's so weird too. It's like fun, but weird. What? Oh, okay, I made it over there. Yay! Wow! 3K. What? What? Are you kidding me? You have got to be kidding me right now. There are now 3 colors. What? Wait, what am I doing right now? What am I doing right meow? Okay, jump. Jump. 1. Okay, jump. Yeah. Jump. This is really fun. Whee! I made it! Yay! Wow! Okay, I'm gonna stop that. It's probably really annoying. Whee! What? Ooh, I don't know what this is gonna do though. Do I wanna jump like that? No! Wait! No! My gosh, that sounded weird. Something like that. This is the weirdest game possible that I've ever played, probably. Whee! Yay, did it. What? Are you kidding me right now? You have got to be kidding me right now. I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm sorry. Whee! Oh, I have to go all the way back? Are you kidding me? I don't know. I'm sorry. This is a cat game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How do you say sorry in cat? Meow, 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 meow. What was that? Wait, turn around. Come on. Come on. And jump. Whee! What is this? Yeah! I don't know what the white portals were doing though. Jump. What? What? Do I have to be green and then switch color? I have to jump. I think I have to jump over it. Don't tell me I have to jump over it. I have to jump over it. I think I have to. Yeah, I have to jump over it. This is so Yes! Boom! Go! 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 Whee! Go, 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 go! I'm doing it! Yes! I did it! I had to jump over that. That's not fair. Or fun. Are you kidding me? What? Oh, that connects to each other. No! Oh my god, that is actually quite annoying. Wait, am I even trying to go there? Oh, it's a trick! I have to go here. Yeah, I knew it! I pooped it up this. Oh, what? No. What? I have to jump over it again. This is not fun, you know. I don't like jumping over stuff. Wait, do I have to... What do I have to do there? I don't know what to do. I think I'm supposed to go the other way. I don't know. Go, 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 go. No! This game is so weird, yet annoying. Kind of, because... What? 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 I made it here. There, fine. Thank you. Oh, you got it. What the heck? I made it. Now what are you trying to say now? Okay. Jump! You could go. Oh, I feel so stupid. I have to go. Okay. Okay, I got this, guys. Da 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 da. Yeah, I have enough time, I think. Yeah, I should have enough time to continue this. Go, 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 go. Go, little kitten. What? No! Okay, this is probably gonna be the last video level. Not the last video, of course not that. Hey. No, okay. Jump. No, I missed it! How could I do such a thing? No, I have to finish this level. Go! I need a relaxing. I need a relax. Like a velociraptor. I'm just kidding. But what if I am a velociraptor? No! Come on, I can finish this. Come on, everyone. Leave a pause up. Leave a pause up if you want to see more videos like this. What do I do? What? Like, I think I lose. It looks like I lose my legs. Oh no, I just changed the color. Okay. It looks like I changed a tiny bit. Okay. I'm almost there, guys. Come on, no! What? Are you kidding me? Wait. I'm probably doing this all wrong, and you guys are like, you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to do something else. No, I'm just wait. No, there's no other way though. Oh, there is, I think. Yep. How? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Please leave a like. Please leave a like if you want to see a part 2 of this. There's more levels. And subscribe. I'll be really happy if you do. And as always, see you guys in the next video. Bye!